Sweet. Well, there's that. I've got to let this dry for quite a while just because of the temperature. Still pretty tacky. No touching. I did take the tape off around the windshield washer squirter thingies, just so that there was no chance of peeling, that sort of thing. Nothing else is touching the wet paint, so that's awesome. I can tell you right now, this is not as dark as it looked over here. So what I was going for was this. This is what was sprayed on the car, right here, and this is out of the small blue bucket that I dumped the rest of the red paint into. Right here, that's what this one here is. So this one, I probably should have used some of the reducer, acetone, whatever, and swirled it around in the blue container to get more of the blue paint out. I ended up, it's a lot closer to the 15:1 color over here. So, lesson learned. Crap, I'm dropping stuff, yikes. That almost went right on the floor. Trying to save that for another day. Lesson learned. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever done anything like this. I hope I cleaned my gun good enough. I'm also concerned about that. No matter how much mineral spirits I use down inside the gun, there just always seems to be some residue of paint still coming out of it. After it sits for a little while, I lay it flat like this and then down inside the threads. Maybe I can show you. It still has some stuff in there. I don't know if this is going to show or not. But down inside of the tip, I got all my angles wrong. There's still just some residue down inside there, and I might take a Q-tip with some mineral spirits and kind of dab down in there, see if I can clean it out. Same thing down inside the container connects as well. So if you have any tips on cleaning your guns, that would be great. Maybe I need to invest in an actual cleaning kit that has pipe cleaners and stuff like that. As far as the paint goes, quite a bit of orange peel. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell. Across the whole thing. I want to spray a test panel, and so I'll probably end up using, I've got my floor pans right down here in the residuals from the passenger side. I've got some good chunks of that, but I want to spray it on some black base, something that has black behind it, and see if that darkens the end result a little closer to what we are hoping for. So maybe I need to go with a black primer, a black base coat on Midnight Maroon before the finished product. This is Troy with DIY Home and Auto. Be sure and like, share, and subscribe. Ring the little bell so you get notified of the future videos. I've got lots of really cool stuff coming up. You don't want to miss any of that. I appreciate your support. Check the links down below, all the things. There's also a P.O. box down there. You guys should send me some stuff. That'd be cool. I'd like to do some unboxing and see what kind of cool things you guys send me. Want to kind of decorate the walls in the shop a little bit. I just don't have a lot of things. Of course, American flag. I actually have an Australian flag up there I need to put up as well. That's kind of a family, I don't want to say joke because that's too strong of a word, but it's kind of an inside story. We'll go with that. Kind of a play on my last name. I don't know if you guys don't know my last name. Maybe some of you do, I don't know. Anyway, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, you know, you can do some research and see if you can figure out why I would have an Australian flag. We'll do a little trivia. This is Troy with DIY Home and Auto. I'm going to get this edited and posted, and we'll see you guys in the next video.